Once upon a time in the vibrant village of Cleaniston, there lived a little leader named Lila. Cleaniston was a magical place with lush green fields and a winding river that sparkled in the sunlight. However, the village faced a peculiar problem. The river, their main source of water, had become polluted with rubbish, making it unsafe for everyone. Lila, a curious and determined girl, noticed the growing issue and decided to take matters into her own hands. She gathered her friends, the clever owl Oliver, the adventurous squirrel Suki, and the friendly turtle Theo, to form the Cleaniston Clean Team. Armed with recycling bins, gloves, and infectious enthusiasm, the Clean Team set out on a mission to make their village sparkle again. Lila and her friends organized a village meeting to share their concerns and ideas with the community. Together, they came up with a plan to clean the river and prevent future pollution. The team worked tirelessly, collecting litter and teaching the villagers about the importance of keeping their surroundings clean. Lila, with her natural leadership skills, inspired everyone to contribute. The once polluted riverbanks transformed into a vibrant and clean space, and the water became crystal clear once more. To celebrate their success, the villagers organized a grand, Cleaniston Carnival. There were games, music, and a parade showcasing the creativity of the community in recycling and reusing materials. The carnival not only brought joy but also spread awareness about the importance of sanitation and caring for the environment. Lila's leadership and the teamwork of the Clean Team turned Cleaniston into a shining example of how a small group of friends can make a big difference in their community. The story of Lila and the Clean Team became a cherished tale in the village, inspiring the next generation to continue the legacy of keeping Cleaniston clean and beautiful for years to come.